In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your credit score using the Wells Fargo app. Whether you're tracking your financial health or simply curious about where you stand, checking your credit score with Wells Fargo is quick and straightforward. Before we dive in, ensure you've installed the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't done so yet, you can easily download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app downloaded and installed, we're ready to begin. Start by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app. If you're logging in for the first time or haven't set up biometric login, enter your Wells Fargo online username and password to sign in. Alternatively, if you've already set up biometric login, simply use your fingerprint or facial recognition to access your account swiftly and securely. Once inside the app, you'll want to navigate to the section focused on credit tools. You can find this by looking for areas labeled Plan and Learn, Financial Health, or something along the lines of Credit Close-Up. These sections are typically featured on the app's home screen or within the main menu, and they provide important insights into your financial well-being. Next, tap on the option that says View My Score or anything similar. This action will take you to your credit score details. Here, you'll see not only your credit score, often displayed as your FICO-R score or another bank-provided score, but you'll also get access to brief explanations of the top factors affecting your score. In addition, you'll be able to see any recent changes that have occurred, giving you a clearer understanding of your credit status. If you prefer a more interactive experience, you can engage with Fargo R, the app's in-app assistant. Simply open up Fargo R and type or say commands such as "What's my credit score?" or "Show my FICO score." Using Fargo R is an alternative method that can bring up the same credit score view, offering you another convenient option to obtain this critical information. After viewing your credit score, take a moment to explore the score details and various factors that are behind that number. Common elements include payment history and credit utilization. Understanding these factors can assist you in identifying what's positively or negatively impacting your credit. Wells Fargo often provides links to additional resources that can help educate you on maintaining or improving your credit score. Lastly, keep in mind that your credit score is typically updated either weekly or monthly, contingent on the data feed. The app will show you the date when your score was last updated, so you'll always know if you're seeing the most current information. Remember, the score you see is one of many models, so lenders might utilize different scores or models when evaluating your credit worthiness. By following these steps, you'll gain valuable insights into your credit standing and be better equipped to manage your financial health. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials in the future.